What's the meaning of banner year? Banner year. Banner year.
Banner year. Banner year. The phrase, banner year, refers to a year of exceptional success or achievement. It usually implies that the year was marked by an abundance of positive developments, such as financial growth, personal accomplishments, or significant achievements. The term banner is used here in the sense of a literal banner or flag, which is often displayed to celebrate a noteworthy achievement or occasion. A banner year can be a turning point in someone's life, or an important milestone for a business or organization. It is a year to be remembered and celebrated, and often serves as a source of inspiration and motivation for future endeavors.